Here's a spring AC checklist for you guys out there that are trying to make sure that your AC system is ready for the spring and for the summer. Hi everyone, Jose Crespo here, owner of Precise HVAC Home Services. We are going behind the scenes on the HVAC world, and we're going to give you the secrets of what a lot of HVAC companies don't want you to know, but we're going to give it to you on how to properly maintain your system and how to make sure that your system lasts a lot longer with proper maintenance. Well, I have a lot of things for you guys to check this spring and summer. First of all, before you go and turn on your air conditioning, let's make sure that the batteries are replaced, right? Because we don't want to make sure that you go turn it on and your batteries have corroded your thermostat. That's one thing you don't want. Secondly, let's make sure we go out to the outdoor unit and that you did shake and replace your outdoor covers. A lot of people's covers are made out of plywood, they're made out of brick. However you decide to have made it in the fall or winter of last year, please make sure that you take that off, because that will ruin your compressor and fan motor and completely kill the system almost instantly. Another thing you want to check, guys, is that make sure that all your vents in the ceilings and on the floors aren't covered from over the winter. Maybe you might have been changing some furniture around, you might have been doing some spring cleaning, but just make sure that that is completely not obscured and cleared from any obstruction at all whatsoever. Lastly, make sure that when you go outdoors, make sure you open up your cabinet to your electrical. Your electrical cabinet is going to tell you if mice was in there all year long and they were making a house in a nest, and you might see a lot of damage in there, a lot of burnt up wires, contactors and compressors that might have failed, etc. Before turning it on, also make sure you go down to the furnace or the air conditioning itself and check that filter. That filter should be changed periodically. One thing that a lot of people forget to do is change their filter. By not changing your filter, you ruin the airflow of your system, you ruin the system itself, and it will short cycle on you. And what's going to happen when it short cycles on you, it is going to stop working and it's going to break down for good. So remember these steps, they are a lifesaver, and they will make sure that your system works a lot longer and runs a lot longer. Please make sure you change that filter before you go into that system and turn it on.
Subscribe to Precise HVAC Home Services for more content.